Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will learn how to check ChatGPT content for plagiarism and how to rephrase it. Let's get started. First, I'll give a prompt to ChatGPT. Write a 1,000-word essay on the impact of climate change on polar bears. When ChatGPT generates the essay, open a new tab and search for GPT-0. This is an artificial intelligence detector. Remember, these tools are free, but only for a short or limited time. You might need to sign up, but you can use it without signing up as well. This is the main dashboard. We can upload a file or directly paste text. Now, I will paste the ChatGPT content here and make some changes, or we can say just readjust the text. After completing this, save the document on your desktop. Now go back to GPT-0 and upload the file here. You can see we have different options. We can check for plagiarism or do a deep scan, but I will select the plagiarism check. Click on that and upload the file. Scroll down and click on the result. Scroll down again. Here you can see it says you have 100% artificial intelligence written content, and it highlights the text as well. Now, what is the solution? Open a new tab and search for Bypass AI. Again, remember you can use it for a limited time because it is not free for long-term use. Now we will paste the ChatGPT written content here. Click on Humanize and it will start to rephrase it. Now, copy it and paste it back into GPT-0. Scroll down and click on Run Scan. Now it shows that this is 82% human written. As I mentioned, this is not free to use indefinitely. You can click on Upgrade and buy a plan if needed. Thanks for watching.